Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just checked my email and I had an email here. Ironically, I didn't know that I got recommendations through my email that I have in the comments description of this video, right? Of all my videos. However, I just want to say if you guys want to leave any recommendations about Australia, New Zealand, you can leave those in the comment section, or you can click that link in the pinned comment section. It's a Google form and you can recommend videos through them. And yeah, it's quite simple and easy. So yeah, if you guys want to do that, you can do that. But today we got a email, and the email says, "Hey man, if you like Aussie Utes, then check out these clips of the NSW Highway Patrol from a few years ago." Okay, so we're gonna be checking those out right now. What is the NSW? Let me just check. New South Wales. Okay, so it's the cops over there in New South Wales. Okay, so we're gonna be checking out these videos right now. So thank you for watching. If you have any more cop videos, Australia, send them to me and I'll check them out because I'm actually pretty excited about these videos right now. So without further ado, let's check them out. Wait. How does it sound so good? Wait, what? How is this car a cop car? Is this actually what Australian police cars look like? Dude, this is way more decorated than an American police car, first of all. And it sounds better. Am I tripping? I just have a feeling this sounds way better than American police cars. Dude, what? That's definitely a V8 right there. Could be a V6 actually. SRT. I can't believe this is what y'all use for cops. Boy, ain't no way, boy. You're not getting away. If one of them boys pull you over, you just pull over, boy. You're not getting away. High-speed chase, they catching you. Wow, listen to that. It popped. Wait, is that bad? Oh no! Wait. Is that a 5 Series BMW? Nah. Hold on, is that a 5 Series BMW, dude? Oh my gosh. That's literally a 5 Series BMW, dude. I don't get it. I genuinely do not get it. Australia is not what I thought. Wow.
Like I said, there are cameras everywhere. Don't carry on like fuckheads. Yeah. I'll leave it at that. Okay. Alright, done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night.
Oh, just listen to the car. Okay. Oh shit, y'all getting busy over there? Hold on, ain't no way for that boy getting busy over there. Hold on, look at the pop, the U, bro. Look at the UE. Look at the UE right here, bro. The U-turn, just cut straight through. Yes, sir. Yo. Nah, bro. Put the lights on. He ready. That's what I expect a cop car to sound like. Hold on, y'all got noise regulation over there? Because ain't no way. Because if the cops sound like this, imagine what the street cars sound like. Oh shit, dude, bruh, look how low this shit is. Australia, what the hell? Dude, look at the height of the car in terms of like, the car is a full-size vehicle, right? And when you look at that Subaru and the Mazda behind, right, you can clearly see under the car. Look at the height on that car, bro. That is lowered. Nah. Boy, ain't no way. I would love to be a highway patrol in New South Wales. Man. Wow. Oh, biker. Okay. You know, ironically speaking, in the United States, it's so rare to see a cop on a bike. It's so rare. Tell me, is it rare to see a cop on a bike in Australia as well? Is that 80 miles, 80 kilometers? What it is? Oh my God, he cutting up. See, that's what I expect the damn car to sound like. Like this. Nothing. Liquorland? Nah, this can't be a real police. Liquorland. Boy, this can't. No, ain't no way. What is Liquorland? Hold on. Let me see something. Let me see something real quick. Liquorland. Australia. I can't get no info on the spot. They're not trying to give me no info on the spot. Do you just turn the V8 on and it just goes crazy? Like, look at this, bro. It's so quiet. You trying to tell me that he didn't once tap the gas? None at all? Right here? Nothing? How's the car so quiet? Insanity, man. Probably sound the exact same. I'm probably just tripping. Like, they're so quiet off the rip. Like, listen to that. Them boys probably really enjoy driving these police cars. I ain't gonna lie to you. They probably really enjoy doing it because, I mean, like, you got all that in your ear the entire day. You just like vibing. You just like saving the day, Superman types. Nah, you gotta be happy with that. I can't lie, you got to be happy with that. I'm pretty happy to hear those. Like, it's very, very powerful vehicles, honestly. I'm pretty impressed. Like, I actually want to find videos now that shows Australian police cars because that was amazing. Very, very, very amazing to see. Can't lie about it. But thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for the recommendation. Had no idea that Australian police cars were so versatile and sounds amazing. So yeah, thank you for that opportunity. I appreciate that. And yeah, please do like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm out of here. Peace.